I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area.
Hi you all, I am Simone C. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. On this channel you'll see that I love to do everything from beauty, fashion, lifestyle, so on and so forth. So if that is something you all are interested in, I would love you to please hit that subscribe button and the notification and stay a while. In today's video, it's all about this gorgeous hair install, okay? Do you see it, baby? By the company WorldNewHair. This is their blonde and black skunk stripe wig. Yes, you all. It is 24 inches long, 210% density, and it is a 13x4 lace frontal ear to ear. So we have the double stripe. We have one here and one on this side. You can do a side part, kind of like I did today, like a flip over method. You can do a middle part. You can do half up, half down. The possibilities are endless with this unit, you all. I just absolutely love it. I would love to thank WorldNewHair so much for sending me this gorgeous, beautiful bomb wig and for sponsoring today's video. If you are interested to see how I got this gorgeous look from start to finish, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue. That's what she say. She look good. She a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average. I padded my stack. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard. Type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit, got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Spoke how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. Feel like nobody could f with us. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill. The space station couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave. When everything I say turn into the real thing. I tell her run it up, cause you know it ain't a thing. We made it out the slums, the words on the page. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave. When everything I'm saying turn into the real thing. I've been living like I'm famous. Like I don't show my face as I'm jumping on the stage. Like I'm living in a daydream. Lost in imagination. She only want me when she fake. She quick to tell me I'm a favorite. She ain't told no lie, she love it when I catch my cadence. She gone off the deep end, pull up every weekend. I hate to let her down, but I'm in a fast life, so you never slowing me down. Heart rate dropping like you don't sleep well. How you switch up, you always help me down. Wonder why I turn into a cold of me now. It could be worse, right? I got where I'm at without no work-life balance. You tell me that it's love, but I'm knowing that it's malice. Squad with me, God, cut us from the same fabric. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave. But everything I say turn into the real thing. Tell them run it up, now you know it ain't a thing. We made it out of slums with the words on the page. Now everything is straight. I've been on a wave. But everything I'm saying turn into the real thing. Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out of where I live. I keep seeing the leaders doing this. We talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my shine. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me in the moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soaked in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing. I be locked in, was lost here. All that turned me to a target. They be plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now, I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go this year. I put all of that in my rip. Hey, blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play the play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, say you down for me. Wait, okay. I really grind like it's 10 of me. Sauce drip, I got the recipe. And you can find me where that pressure be. I've been levitated in the preparation. I've been meditated, I've been hella patient. I'm so tired of waiting. I got right here with my day. From where that crevice be. I've been silent since the less of me. Out here with the sea, really in the field. I'm really on cam now, I got plans now. I'm finna branch out, grew up quick, but never let go of this year. I put all of that in my rip. Hey, blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play the play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me.
Alright, also I am done curling the unit. Let's see what we have now. Ooh, look at that, you all. Look at this install. Nice. Love it. Alright, so let's take out the curls also. Wow, this is gorgeous. Wow. Look at this hair, you all. It is so nice and full. Love the density on this one. It is 210% density. The curls came out absolutely gorgeous. I just did like a flip over method, so no parts in the unit, but I still want to show off and showcase these skunk stripes in the hair. So I think I did a very, very good job at that, definitely. As always, I'm gonna go back in and just add a little bit of product to the lace itself, right in the front. I want to stand up and show you how long this 24 inches hitting me, you all, and it is super duper long. So yes, you all, I'm absolutely just loving this hairstyle, you all, this new trend. I say please step outside of the box and try something new. Try a different trend, okay? They look absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful, okay? Look at this. Darling, this is giving. WorldNewHair, you did a thing here. Love, love, love this one. So yes, y'all, that completes today's hair install featuring the company WorldNewHair. I'll be sure to leave the link to this direct unit down below in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience, as well as all the other products I use in today's hair install as well. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.